What's up, guys? I'm inside baking the bus. Thought I'd give you a bit of an update. As you can see behind me, we've gotten the floors pretty much taken out. We just have this one strip over here that we got to remove. That ended up being a lot harder project than we thought it was going to be. But B fortunately had Casey and Isabella come out last week and they made some progress on that. So yeah, this week got to work, didn't have any electricity, finally got that turned on. Unfortunately our air compressor just doesn't want to turn back on, so we're not going to be working with any air tools. I'm probably just going to be tracing wiring, cleaning up the engine bay, preparing it for paint, and let's see, that's pretty much it. That's the goals for today. And then next week, you know, we're going to Mammoth Cave, just going to kind of take a break, go camping, get away for a little while. That's one thing they don't tell you about these buses is how much time they take. Me and her work full-time jobs, so we don't have too much time to come and work on it, just 2 days out of the week. And yeah, that really eats into any kind of social life you have. Me and her love to go to the gym. We're really having to cut back on that just to get in here and do some work and get this done within a year. I think we're still on task for that. We just it doesn't feel like it. Right now we're just tearing everything apart. We haven't really seen any progress as far as, you know, building it up to be something new. Engine's still missing out of it. Yeah, as you can see, we don't have floors back here, so it's pretty much just a hollow shell and doesn't quite feel like home yet, but hopefully within the next few months over the summer we will have it looking a little bit better. I think that's pretty much it for today. So if you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe. We're on TikTok, Instagram. You can find us on Facebook too. So thank you guys for watching.